Let's check if there's sound. Okay, let's check if there's sound. Good morning, it's Monday morning. Bitcoin has been choppy past weekend, so I didn't look much at it. I had other things to do, and I think better because it was very choppy. Now, what we can see is that on the weekly time frame, after these two yellow axes, we were printing a green momentum dot. However, money flow is still at this level, 26 on the weekly, and we're just about to print a green Heiken-Ashi candle. So, it is probable, it is possible, not probable, it is possible that this can be the bottom. I mean, Bitcoin can start recovering from that, print green momentum, money flow going up, and something like that. But I think if there is a crash in the stock market, Bitcoin will fall. So we're not sure yet because of this money fall. It looks too much in the red, and I don't think it will be bullish in the next weeks. I think we can have a flash crash most probably. Now on the daily, we can see that Bitcoin continues to be weak. So we'll see what excuse me. We'll see what happens with this minus 44 on the red, whether we go past it. Right now we are minus 30, but still Bitcoin is behaving in a very weak manner. Not to say that it can start recovering from here, but everything is possible. Now on the daily, I'm not really convinced that we go so much down. Let's monitor the lower time frames. 4 hour is it's tricky. I wouldn't buy it or sell it right now. 3 hour money flow is going up, but the momentum, the price is not doing anything. We are we're continuing in the momentum to the upside, but the price is not doing anything. So this shows that we're very weak here, and so far bears have been in control, and we shouldn't lie to each other. Well, 1 hour, there might be some bullish case here, some small scalp to the upside, maybe to 19.8. But you can see how choppy it is. I don't believe, it's difficult to pick a trade right now because of this choppiness. Right now the money fall seems to be on the 45-minute recovering to the upside, and we may have some upside. I want to see how the other charts look, but it has been very choppy. Yes, on the 15-minute we have green dot, but on the 5-minute we're almost done, so let's see. We're right in the middle of the Ichimoku cloud on the 21-minute, so I'm not buying or selling this one. There might be some upside to 19.5, but for me to consider this risk reward is very small. So I'm aiming for bigger risk reward. Right now it doesn't look too profitable in either direction. Let me see the 1 hour. 1 hour is also in the middle, and we're just going in the cloud, in the Ichimoku cloud, and that's why the price is so choppy, because on the 1 hour we are actually in the chop in the cloud, and we're getting rejected from the cloud here. Okay, let's see. One day we're also standing in the middle. uh, so really key moment for Bitcoin: should we go down, should we go up? I think everyone is waiting on something. Like the 12 hour is also, we're below the cloud and we are getting rejected from the cloud, standing near the middle line of the Bollinger. Nothing really happening, like it's flat, 1 2 3 4 candles. uh, it's flat to bearish, I would say, because bears are in control on the higher time frame, like 12 hour and one on daily. uh, I mean, we'll see, but it looks choppy day also. We had some bearish divergence here, that's why we started falling down here. But yeah, these 2 days have been mostly chop 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 chop, which is what I expected. We have to see where the stock market is going. um, if the stock market continues to disappoint and go down, I think still no pivoting, more hikes along the way, we're going to fall down even more. So be prepared. I think this is the most likely scenario, that we're going down. It can be little by little, it can be sudden crash. At some point there would be some volatility to the downside, but so far nothing is happening. And there is no need to trade this environment. Like if it's flat and it's not doing anything, we should just watch it and don't put any trades, because the chop will take you by the wayside. Now I want to see this chart, also the 4 hour. As you can see, we're mostly flat, up down up down. There is a range here, formed range between 20.5 and 18.5, and we're just chopping around in this range. Unless we break this, it would still be going up down without any direction. Now let me see the volume delta. There was quite the divergence in the volume delta. Like we surpassed this high, and I think this was bearish divergence. A few days ago that I said this is not looking good. I mean, we have the same amount of money on the volume delta, and actually this we are way lower here. So this was a hidden bearish one. And now it seems that we fell down. How much we have? How much far can we go? Nobody knows. Now, on the Bitcoin price on Google Trends, we are still falling down. 22. When the volatility starts, I would expect this Bitcoin price in Google Trends to go up, the interest to increase. Right now it's flat to going down. Well, it's not flat, it's going down slightly, because we're consolidating still. We're in consolidation from the last wall in June, and from there you can see the wave, how we're consolidating and consolidating and consolidating. So yeah, next week's I think it would be interesting, because we might potentially start to increase here in the interest, and if the interest increases, then there might be some volatility in the price, very likely. So right now also there is opportunity when everyone has given up on the chop. now it's time to watch out where we're going. Okay, this is from me. Also, you can see that this indicator is very choppy. Cannot pick a direction here. That's it from me. Watch the charts. I think in the next weeks we will get a lot more news and volatility in stock market in Bitcoin, and watch the stock market because it's key for Bitcoin. Goodbye, have a good Monday.